Today we are going to discuss how to design posters. A poster is a very useful means of making an announcement or appeal, issuing a notice, advertising a product, or bringing about awareness on any issue of public interest. Remember, a poster is always visually very attractive and easily readable from a certain distance. A poster should be clear in communicating the intended message in an easily readable manner. A poster has no fixed format. However, from exam point of view, a poster must contain all the following points: theme, topic, event of the poster, purpose of writing the poster, occasion for which you're designing the poster, date, time, and place in case of an event, a message of appeal, awareness, caution, warning, or invitation. Catchy slogans and captions should be there. Name of the individual or organization issuing it. Remember, name of the issuing authority is very important. Important points to remember. Give a heading. Write a catchy line or slogan. There is no fixed layout. Use convincing language. Follow the word limit. It is 50 words. Write organizer's name, entry ticket, highlights of the event, or any other relevant information. Content should convey the message clearly. For awareness of a social problem, heading, the problem and its causes, effects of the problem, solutions to the problem, or any other additional information can be given. If it is an event, write the name of the event, purpose, date, time, venue, organizer's name, entry tickets if any, highlights of the event, or any other relevant information. Now here there is one example of a poster. This is for a fete organized by St. John's School, Agra. Now you can see here the purpose of this poster is given, that is in aid of earthquake victims. Then you can see the date, time, venue, and the highlights. Highlights like fancy dress, merry-go-rounds, electronic games, snacks, lucky draw, etc. And here you can also see that below there is a line written, help a noble cause. Now this one is a poster for a coaching center. So here you can see commencement of fresh batches, then what the coaching institute is about, that is what type of a coaching is given, then the special features, specialty, specialist faculty, personal attention, excellent study material, periodic tests. Here we can also write conveyance facilities. Okay, and then certain highlights like our 10 students top 10. Now, this one is a poster for regular exercise. A healthy body shelters a healthy mind. Exercising can be fun. Choose any one. So, this is when I talked about a jingle or a slogan. So, this is that one. Then, some of the information given here in bubbles: run and have fun, sport a healthy heart. Then, also remember one thing: issued by. Here we have given issued by. Who is the issuing authority? Sports Authority of India. Now here there are 3 questions given to you for practice. Prepare a poster on kindness towards animals to be displayed in the city at public place. Design a poster to launch tree plantation campaign in the area surrounding your school. Trees live for us, let us protect our friends. Design a poster for promoting the need for joining the defense services. Thanks for watching this video.